weight category by Basketballista. First position of Al-Lion. Isia. Tuparenyo. Rep. Short. Rebound again by Gatapia. Drive, Gatapia to intercept. Nice rebound against by Altusay, white shirts. Looking for this forward. Nice defense by Isia. Too strong. Rebound, 5. Block behind. Nice attack. Drive 1-on-1. Too strong. Rebound again by Al-Lion. Escape. Stop. Rebound by Seba. Block by Seba. Rebound by the white shirts. One thing. Cardenas again. Looking for his teammates. Nice pass. Seba. Rebound by the pink shirts. 8 minutes 40 seconds. Score still 0. Isia. Goes to go. Stop. Pump. Pull out jumper. Too strong. Rebound by the white shirts. Time out on Al-Lion. Al-Lion ball. Isia. Long move. Powerful ball. Against the Lion number Cardenas. Back-to-back turnover by Altusay. Send location.
Pila ka time out sa one? First quarter, isa, no? Bawat quarter, isa.
Dua.
Dua.
Isia. Pass to Cardenas. Too strong. Rebound pa na Isia. Gatapia. Gatapia. 4-0, 4-point now, lead against Al-Lion. Gatwa to 5. Short. Rebound again by Al-Lion. Isia. Short. Parenyo. 7 minutes. Gatapia, pick. Gatapia, attack to 10 to shoot. Isia. Short. Rebound again by the Wixer. Time out on Altusay. 6-0 our score, 6-0. Favor of Al-Lion.
7-7
Cardenas again. Move. Similiano rebound. Cardenas. Mackenzie. Dissect shot Mackenzie. 8-0.
Kama ni Jagaho. Nagaho to ni Jag.
Imo.
Oh, kanjulong.
Ang bail mo.
Oh, gikuha lagi ni Jag karon ingon si Jag. Kuha atong ahot sa mic para magbaylo.
Di doon na dubli udon.
Dum na ni kadto mo.
Ano iya?
Kanang isa sa wala.
Imo wala pa.
Wala. Kuha lagi sa ida.
Igo. Mas nasa plastic. Gatwa. 5, 10 to shoot. 5. Ivan Pardeñas. Guys, desatue Pareño. Our score 8 against 0.
Sa taas. Wala nang bang. Sa taas yung park.
Back to 5, same spot. Gatwa. To Pardeñas. Drive, remove, block, foul. Foul on number 7, Similiano. First team foul on Al Nayan. 8-0 score, 8-point lead against Al Nayan. First basket up. Alcusay, Pardeñas. Bar by Similiano. Asia. Stop, pump, block behind. Rebound by Seba. Right by Similiano. Alcusay ball, Alcusay.
Huwagan ng bola, yung ano?
Gatwa. 4 minutes 50. Pass to 5. 5, open jump, on the jumper short. Rebound by the pink shirts. I can see. Coast to coast, looking for Asia. Too strong, rebound by Gatwa.
Bola!
Steal by Asia. To Pareño. Drive, attack, nice pass. Asia, nice stop. Tapia, 10 to shoot. Tapia again. Bang! On the distance, 11-1. 10-point lead now, Al Nayan. 4 minutes, 13 seconds. Strong. Rebound by Pareño. Pareño, stop, up. Pareño again. Drive. Intercepted. Foul.
Wala. Nandun sila dalawa.
Sige na, Jake.
Sportsmanlike foul on Al Nayan. Technical foul.
Wala yan.
Dalawa na Benson.
Wala yan.
Our score 2-11. Shane ball. Running. To 5. Elbow jumper. Yes! On 5. Now 11-4. 7-point lead na by Al Nayan. Gatwa. Tapia to nice pass outside. Simarillo block behind by Seba. 5 rebound. Stepping on the line against 5. 3 minutes. Isia to Tapia, back to Isia. In and out. Foul. Foul on number 22, Al Nayan. Mackenzie, person Mackenzie, 13 foul against Al Nayan. Same ball.
Bro! Easy, maliit lang yun.
2 minutes 32 seconds, 11-4 score, 7-point lead by Al Nayan.
Score!
Running. Pass to Pardeñas. Pardeñas, the big guy.
Lapit!
Mackenzie. Matay Esia. 13-4. Back to 9-point lead. Against Alayan, 1 minute 50 seconds running to 5. Short to running. Back to Pardeñas. Yes, John Pardeñas. 1 minute 50 seconds. Time to shoot. Pareño, Catapia. Nice defense. To running. Running to Pardeñas. Yes, on Pardeñas. 8-13. Back to 5-point lead by Alayan. Mackenzie.
Aras! Nice! Maganda yan, aras lang!
5. Traveling violation, 1 minute. Turnover against Alayan. Nice defense against Seba. $50 seconds. Two running. Too strong. 35 seconds. 35 seconds. Running. To 5. Rebound by Seba. Wow! Basket count and 1 against Pardeñas. Small left. Foul again on number 22, Simarillo. Mackenzie. Warning for penalty on Alayan. Second on Mackenzie. 22 seconds. 13-11. 2-point lead now by Alayan. 20 seconds. Catapia. To Isaiah. Pareño. 10 to traveling violation. Traveling. 8 seconds. 8 seconds.
Bukas pa yan.
Five. Bang! 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 End of the first quarter. Score 14-13. 1 point. Sir, Eric mo. Ikaw nyo, ikaw.
Nice boots!
Warning on Alcosay for delay in the game. Hermoso now in the ball game. Hermoso. First attempt. Short. Ibaw may makalala. Go. Kilab. Wow! Kilab! Now 16-13. 3-point lead by Alcosay. Makalalan. Back to Drilag. Makalalan again. Foul. Foul on number 30 ay Hermoso. First on Hermoso. First team foul on Alcosay. Drilag. Intercepted by Kilab.
Boy, pistoy mo muna, pistoy. Balik! Balik!
Roas. To Hermoso. Too strong. Rebound by Bautista. Makalalan. Coast to coast. Attack. Makalalan! Now 16 all. 15 to...
Di ba ito lang yan?
16 to 15, 1 point lead by Alcosay. Kilap again, block by Makalalad. Foul. Foul on number 16 on Kilap. Second team foul on Alcosay. First on Kilap.
Ter, hustle ter.
Francisco, short, Roas.
Hawakan mo lang muna yung bola. Relaxan muna kayo, baba niyo lang muna. Hawakan mo lang.
Ready, players? Play.
Kung tayo lang oh.
Duri lang.
Relax lang. Lapit sa tres. Let's go, Matt!
Bautista, duri lang, 10 to shoot. Francisco, Makalalan, block, foul. Foul on number 3, Rojas. First on Rojas, 13 foul on Alcosay.
Meron ba yung pang-boarding dito sa no? Ribbon mo dito, last ng boarding. Buti kay Jero po mata.
Now score 16 all.
Bigay.
Steve, Francisco. Oh, too slow. Patron.
Bigay agad.
Pass to Ross. Big. Save ball. 7 minutes, 16 all.
Ross, tingnan mo yung tao sa Nice, Peter! Nice!
Hermoso to Kilap. Hanggang na yung Peros. Too strong, Makalalad.
Nice, Peter!
Steve. To Kilap. Makalalad again. Same ball.
Pakita mo ba kung sino ka? Pakita mo sa akin.
Direct. 10:30. 10:30? Like, because we start 10:30.
Foul on number 6.
When the league will start?
I'm
When?
waiting for jersey.
No, and other one, season 2.
Yeah, I'm waiting for all the jersey.
No, season 2.
Yeah.
Player? Okay. They will make. So make one meeting day to bring all the teams. To take the Tyler, we take. Then we fix
We
it.
will go to eat. Everybody will come. We'll invite you.
Yeah, I will invite you. Check. Yeah, I will invite
All
you.
the captain,
Okay.
yeah.
Which restaurant? Tell me. I will book. No problem. I will. Which one? Tell me any restaurant. Send me. I will book. Send me any restaurant. We'll go eat.
All the players.
Hawak mo na!
Foul on Makalalad. First on Makalalad, first team foul on Alnayan. Our score is still 16 all. Ross. To Patron. Drive, strong move, Patron. Nice defense. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Boy, labas ka na, boy.
Rojas. To Hermoso. 5 to shoot. Black, may Makalalad. Francisco. To Dirilang. Black rebound. Black foul.
All number 7.
Foul on number 7, Kilab. Time out! Alnayan. Warning for penalty on Alcosay.
Tumawag na time out. Boy! Part of the game niya mo. Ano yun ba? Ayun ba?
Our score is still 16 all. 17 to 16 now. 1 point lead against Al Nayan. 5 minutes.
Asa agad! Yan, okay lang. Pag nakatawid. Screen lang.
Hermoso. Patron, to Kilab, 10 to shoot. Patron. Foul. Foul on number 5 on Al Nayan. Makalalad. Second on Makalalad. Second team foul against Al Nayan.
First quarter, trap agad eh.
Dalawain mo na.
Now 1 point lead by Alcosay. 18 to 17. 4 minutes 37 seconds, second quarter.
Depensa.
Rulag to Francisco. Fake. Back to Makalalad. Makalalad, Cardi Hermoso. 10 to shoot. Traveling Medicine, traveling.
Back to back, pass. Oh, dito, back to back, pass niya. Same move.
4 minutes.
Bigayan. Para! Uli!
Hermoso. Makalalad all the way. Yes on Makalalad. Now back to 1 point lead by Al Nayan. 19 to 18. Ross. Same ball. Time out on Alcosay.
Sa gilid. Ba't tinatangay sila sa gilid?
Our score 19 to 18. 1 point lead by Al Nayan.
Pagpagit tayo. Takbo sa gilid.
Kilab. Rebound against Makalalad. To Durilag. Wow! Basket down on 1 against
Nice pass, Francisco!
Foul on Patron. Penalty on Al Nayan. Nice bonus throw against number 7 Madrid. 21-18 now score. 21 against 18. Second on Patron. Francisco. Wow! Francisco.
Nice one, Francisco!
Patron. Ross. Short. Makalalad rebound. Ross. Bang! Kilab! 23 to 20. 3-point lead by Al Nayan. 2 minutes.
Uy, basahin yung bulan.
Bulag. Looking for Makalalad. Strong. Rebound by Kilab. It's 3 on 2. Kilab drive. Kilab papa jumper. Bang! Kilab! Back to back. Shot by Kilab. 1 minute 45 seconds. Now 1 point lead by Al Nayan. Intercepted by Kilab. Kilab to Patron. Drive. Patron. Gusto ko. Side step. Patron. 24 to 23. Back to 1 point lead by Alcosay. Francisco. Rebound by number 69. Pass to Kilab. 1 minute.
Lugar. Takihin.
Hermoso to Kilab again. Too strong. Rebound by Bautista. To Durilag. Aso Makalalan! 50 seconds! 48 seconds, 20 to shoot. Ross. Kung Hermoso. 10 to shoot. Madrid. Foul.
Falling.
Foul on number 3 on Roas penalty. Second on Ross. "29 seconds. 26-24, 2-point lead now against Al Nayan. "27-24. 25 seconds. Steal by Francisco. Makalalag. 10 seconds. Yes, on Madrid.
Bukas ang kamay!
And now for our second quarter score, 31 against 24, Al Nayan.
10 lang tayo, sir. 10 players.
Beloten mo ano. Sige.
Third quarter. Al Nayan ball, Al Nayan. 31-24 score, 7-point lead by Al Nayan.
Gawas daw!
Steal.
Galing po sa labas yung player. So doon tayo. Ay, dito tayo.
Gawas daw! Dong, wag dyan, Dong!
Inbounding Malalunan. Castillo. Too strong. Astro. Wow, nice defense by Orolfo.
Bigay na agad! Pasa! Kita ka, Jord! Jorby, kita ka!
Orolfo.
Palit kayo eh!
Intercepted by Piastro.
Tira!
14 to shoot. Castillo, drive, block. 10 to shoot.
Bandoy! Bigyan mo!
Nice, Baron.
Beng!
Cardenas. Steal against Castillo. Orolfo to Malaluan. Bumbanwa. Orolfo again. Block. Yes. Hermosillo. Now 32 to 24, 9-point lead by Al Nayan. To Bumbanwa. To Piastro. Nice pass. Foul.
19.
Foul on number 19.
Parang liyak sa ring yun.
Miss Paul Rep, 90.
99?
On Castillo, person Castillo. 26 to 33, 7-point lead now by Alayan. Oral po, guarded by Tumubano. To Malaluan. White ball. Foul. Foul on number 88. Mackenzie. Foul. Foul again on 88. Second personal foul on Jesus. Warning for penalty on Alayan. 33 against 26, 6.7-point lead against Alayan. 27-33, 6-point lead now by Alayan. 6 minutes third quarter.
Jor, kita ka, Jor! Labas ka dyan! No, ano? Ay! Kita, Jor!
Iba may Cardenas. Nice defense against Alayan.
Nice one, Walt! Ano? Uy! Tanggap kayo dito! Pinaman mo na siya!
Tubumbano.
Pressure!
Cardi by Orolpo. To Cardenas. Cardenas drive. Yes! 29 to 30, 4-point lead now by Alayan. Orolpo. Cardi by Tubumbano. Hermosillo. Short. Rebound against 21 to Cardenas. Steal by Hermosillo. Orolpo, pass to Castillo. 35 to 29, back to 6-point lead by Alayan. Tubumbano, escape. Nice pass outside to Cardenas. Nice pump. Good under short, rebound by Orolpo. It's 2-1, 1-1. Orolpo stop, Orolpo drive, nice twirl, Orolpo. Nice defense by the white shirts Alayan. Traveling violation turnover against Alcusay. Nice defense against Alayan. Yes! Son! Castillo. Orolpo. Still with Cardenas. Number 16, Malaluan. Time out! Alayan. Now Alayan and penalty. Our next game, open category. Mechanic squad against Bombers. Orolpo. Nice pass, Malaluan. Back to Orolpo. 14 to shoot. Bang, bang. Bang! On Orolpo.
Para.
3-5 na. 3
Counter! Nice one!
Basket count. Basket count and 1 against Pardinas. Foul on number 16, Malaluan. Second on Malaluan. Now team end penalty. 38 to 32. Only 6-point lead against Al Nayan. 33 against 38. Back to 5-point lead by Al Nayan. 3 minutes. Our next game will be open category. Mechanic Squad versus Bombers. Tubong Banwa. Too strong. Rebound by the White Church.
Ganun lang ako penser mo Tapos sa lalim pre ah. Yun na.
Oral po. Tunuan, Tubong Banwa.
Nice ball.
Short.
Tatlo. 2. 1. Balik.
Yan, sisigaw ka.
Yes, John Castillo. 2 minutes. 40 to 33. Back to 7-point lead by Al Nayan.
Ring ng ring eh.
Cellphone.
Foul of Castillo, penalty.
War technical ka ha?
Ay, sorry po.
1 minute 50 seconds.
Pa-stroke.
34 to 40 now. Yes, on Pardinas.
Paningkamot dog.
40 to 36. Fourth point now by Al Nayan. 1 minute 30 seconds.
Huwag niyo matirahin yan ha.
Malaluan, 14 to shoot.
Lapit lang.
Nice ball.
Foul on number 21. First team foul on Alcosay. First personal foul on number 21. Presyon. Bres.
Nice shot.
Uy, may kasama nga ako.
Pwede tayo, one stop. Kunin nyo yun.
1 minute.
Kunin mo yan, Den. Kunin mo yan, Den. Takbo, bilis. Box.
Offensive foul on Castillo. 46 seconds.
46.
Bricks! Tanggap pula, Bricks!
46.
Diyan, siyo ka lang ba? Pakita ka ba? Pakita. Ayaw magtago sa tao. Balik ka, Do.
30 seconds. Stay. 24 seconds. Bang! Oh, Malaluan. 15 seconds.
Harangan nyo.
Foul.
Penalty.
Foul on number 88. Penalty. Third personal foul on Jesus. 8 seconds.
Nice goal, Lep!
38-43. 5-point lead by Al Nayan.
Malaki, 8 seconds. Dikit na. Dikitan mo lang.
Our score 43-38. 5-point lead by Al Nayan. Fourth quarter. Patron. Rebound by Durilag. Durilag.
Box out tayo mga box out.
Nakaset na!
To Isia. Back to Durilag. Durilag, 14 to shoot. Madrid. Strong. Rebound by Patron. Alnayan ball. Same ball, Alnayan.
Jet, palit! Hindi palit! Wing!
Isia to Durilag. Madrid. Timusilia. Black. To Seba. Patron. Patron all the way. Goes to goals. Patron. Now 43 to 40. 3-point lead now against Alnayan.
Kita ka, Art! Kita! Ganyan.
Makalalat, pump, elbow jumper, short, makalalat agad rebound, makalalat, pass to Isia. Bang! On Isia. 46 to 40, back to 6-point lead by Alnayan. Patron, back to Gatwa. Gatwa, drive, pass to 5. Looking for Gatwa, back to Patron. Yes, on 5. 46 to 42, 8 minutes. Durilag. Intercept by Gatwa. Pardeñas. Steal. Seba to 5. Short. Seba again. Pass to Pardeñas. Seven minutes, 50 seconds.
Sige lang eh.
46 to 22 our score. Only 4-point lead against Alnayan. Isia. Strong. Rebound by Patron. Patron to Gatwa. Oh, Patron. Patron drive, attack, Patron, yo move! What a move coming from Patron! Isia, now 2-point lead by Alnayan.
Labas yan, Art! Labas yan! Bigyan mo!
14 to shoot. Emusilia. Foul. Foul on number 19 on Pardeñas. Second on Pardeñas. First team foul on Alpusay. Black! May Patron! Gatwa. 2-5. Yes! On 5. Now 46 all. Our second deadlock of the game. 46 all. 6 minutes 30 seconds of our last quarter. Durilag.
Ikot mo na!
10 to shoot.
Nice shot!
Bang! On Makalalat. 49 to 46. Back to 3-point lead by Alnayan.
Harasin mo.
Gatwa. Looking for Patron to 5. Short. 5 again. Short again. Rebound by the white shirts. Stepping on the line. Nice defense by Alnayan. 49 to 46. Only 3-point lead against Alnayan. Time out. Alpusay. Alnayan ball.
Ngoy, pwestohan mo siya doon! Ilalim ka,
Isia. Short. 5. Ulang, to Makalalan. To Castillo. Foul. Foul on number 5 on 5.
Dong, isyat dong!
First on 5, second team foul Alcosay. Fifty to 46. Only 4 point lead against Alayan, 50 against 46.
Hindi na papasok yung nasa ibabaw! Pre!
Foul. Foul against Isia.
Cutter Isay!
Second team foul on Alayan. First on number 0, Isia. Hermoso. 10 to shoot.
Gita isa!
Ano yan?
Foul.
Nice one.
Foul on number 7.
Score, friend.
13 foul
Nice
on
one, nice
Alayan.
one. 3 points lang lamang, oh. Easy lang kayo.
4 minutes.
Tayo, ha? Score tayo!
Balik, balik!
48 to 50 now. 2 point lead by Alayan.
Pass play!
Tulang. Foul.
Nagare!
Foul on Hermoso. 13 foul on Alcosay. Tulang, 10 to shoot. 3-second violation. 3-second violation. 48 to 50 our score. 3 minutes 30 seconds. Patron to 5.
Sige, tao!
Parts, gitna ka, Parts!
Uy!
Makalanan. Steve. Tulang. Makalanan. Down. Basket down. And one by Makalanan.
Nice play, kuya!
Spalep.
Shoot, kuya! Shoot!
Foul on Hermoso. Warning for penalty at 13 foul on Alcosay. Third on Hermoso.
Time, sir!
3 minutes.
Salubog! Okay.
Isiat Durlag. Foul. Foul on Patron. Warning for penalty on Alcosay. Third against Patron.
May timeout pa kami, no? Ilan? 2? Sana lang? Ilan? Kalambay! Isa!
Pinanti na sila.
Pwesto sa gilid!
Mamaya.
Isa lang, oh!
2 minutes 55 seconds. $53 against the 48. 5 point lead by Alayan.
Pwesto, gilid! Pwesto!
Patron. Steve Hermosa. Hermosa foul. Foul on Makalalat. Warning for penalty on Alayan. Third personal foul on Makalalat.
Double time. Ilang minutes?
Sila!
2 minutes, 8 seconds.
Pwede mag-sub?
Sub rep, sub rep, sub.
Sure ninyo ba? Nagikapoy na ko direk syagit ba?
Last 2 minutes.
Castillo ba? Yan na.
14 to shoot.
Yan, pwede na yan. Nice mat! Nice mat! Tabas, tabas, tabas!
Tabas, tabas!
Tabas!
Ready lang. 1 minute, 45 seconds. 10 to shoot. One minute, 38 seconds. Sub rep, sub rep, sub.
Pabayaan niya lang sila sa loob. Pabayaan niya lang sa loob. Kailangan natin shooter. Aras na, aras, aras! Sa lubong na, sa lubong!
Tulak mo na naman siya, Art. Bira!
5.
Score!
Yan, yan na!
Oh! Bang, bang, bang! On 5! 53 to 51. 2 point lead now by Lion.
Screen, screen! Trap na, trap!
1 minute, 10 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Banat!
Uy, ilalim, ilalim! Sa akin na, sa akin!
5. 55 seconds.
Uy, walang pang! Sige dyan! Kain!
Ah. Foul on number 16. Penalty na rep, rep, penalty rep.
Depensa lang, depensa lang!
Fourth personal foul on Patron.
Isa, isa, isa! Isa, isa, haras, haras! Haras! Isa, isa, isa!
51 to 55.
Pista, pista! Pas, pas! Lalim, lalim!
Hirap, kung sa ilalim! Oh, oy! Oy, ano yun?
Oy, oy! Oh, balibot! Atin, hawakan mo! Hawakan mo na, hawakan mo na!
Foul on number 15. Pardenas. Penalty rep, penalty. 26 seconds.
Uy, ano nangyari sa'yo dyan, coach? Yung ganyan, ha? Ilan na ba? Hindi ka magalit dyan. Huwag ganyan ba?
26 seconds.
Nice, kuya! I-shot, kuya, i-shot! Kanta na lang kay Dagan. Tinawagan lang. Sabi mo sa... I-shoot!
Perfect! Kunin mo yan, kunin mo yan, kunin mo yan! Balik, balik!
20 seconds.
Tagisa kayo,
Bantap,
tagisa!
bantap!
Tagisa! Nice challenge, nice challenge!
15.
Alam, magsakit atong hawak, ani.
10 seconds.